Sabi ni Julian, yan po tanong ni Karen Davila kay Luis to, bakit mini trial? O nga, bakit pa mini-mini pa sila? Kasi natatakot sila na pag humarap sila sa Korte Suprema, tatanungin sila, bakit kayo nagta-trial? Ay, Supreme Court, di naman po trial yan. Mini lang. Calamansi Slush says, notices of disallowance do not constitute an impeachable offense. That is correct. Sal N does not imply unexplained wealth. That is also correct. Ramon Madriaga is a polluted source. Sabi yan ni Kong Rufus. Expenditures must be disbursed within the year for utilization purposes. Again, correct. CFs cannot be disclosed openly due to national security issues. Again, correct. And 6, alleged threats to the first family can be construed as freedom of expression. Yes, although some parts of it will have to be explained. Sabi ni Kapkay, dapat walang power mag-contempt ang HOR. Actually, okay lang yung power nila kung tungo dun sa kanilang power to make laws. So, halimbawa, sa inquiries in aid of legislation, pwede mag-contempt. Pero walang contempt powers dito sa inquiries, sa impeachment. Sabi ni Jeng, why is the HOR so laser-focused on impeachment when we are facing a global oil crisis that will trickle down to just about every aspect of our lives? Well, ideally, no, they're doing both. Kasi ang justification nila is that accountability. And yes, they do have the power to initiate impeachment at dinggin ito. May mga naka-file na complaints. If they don't act on it, they will be remiss in their duties. However, agree ako that we should be prioritizing itong crisis. So, and they will argue na once a week lang naman yung impeachment dito. The rest of the time, pwede naman nilang idulot dito sa krisis. Pero kayo, may nakikita po ba kayo na kaakibat na aksyon? Ano ba ang response ng administrasyon pagdating sa krisis? Puro ayuda. Walang long-term planning. Wala ngang short, medium, and long-term na plano. In fact, wala tayong nakikitang plano. So, puro ayuda, and we know that ayuda is not going to go a long way. In fact, mas malaki pa ang nabigay nilang ayuda noong 2024 kaysa dito sa plano nilang ilabas for 2026 na humaharap talaga tayo sa isang krisis. Noong 2024, walang ganun. Unless you count elections na matatalo sila, therefore crisis yun para sa kanila. I'm joking, pero really, it seems that way. Sabi ni Julian, yan po tanong ni Karen Davila kay Luis to, bakit mini trial? O nga, bakit pa mini-mini pa sila? Kasi natatakot sila na pag humarap sila sa Korte Suprema, tatanungin sila, bakit kayo nagta-trial? Ay, Supreme Court, di naman po trial yan. Mini lang. Sabi ni Jamal, pero olats pa rin sila. Sabi ni Stroud, Plan B, B for buhaya. Sabi ni Jamal, election, ayuda. Thank you kay Boy Argamaso. Yun, sabi ni Ma'am Joanna, wag rin daw kalimutan, may Cabral files pa. O nga naman. Na kasama dun sa mga narinig, nakita, and all that. So that's also another thing. Tama kayo, parang pinaprioritize yung impeachment, lalong-lalo na pagdating sa statements nila. Ang argument nila is hindi naman kasi once a week lang yung hearings ng Committee on Justice. Gayunpaman, nasa na yung mga nasa ng legislation tungo dun sa mga findings nila pagdating dito sa, di ba nag-hearings rin sila, nag-inquiries in aid of legislation tungkol dito sa flood control. Wala yata tayong naririnig na may kaakibat na legislation silang dinidiscuss para hindi na maulit yan. Sabi ni Stroud, this administration is incompetent. They actually saw this coming but they failed to create plans. They saw it coming pero in denial sila. Parang naniwala sila na sandali lang yan, 4 na linggo lang yan, tapos na. We believe in the US. Unfortunately, ito na nga. Sabi ni Emmanuel, do they have the power to cite in contempt Attorney Poa if he refuses to answer? No. They have no contempt powers in impeachment because their powers are limited to evaluating the complaint and the affidavits to determine if there's sufficient evidence to go to trial. Sabi ni Kentaro Ken, the more the HOR drags this mini trial, the more they commit mistakes and reveal their true motives. Ay. Agree. Ako, nasasayangan ako sa oras at sa emosyon. Pansin nyo, diba, galit na galit sila. Andyan si Kong Ridon. Ganyan siya. Si the ever confusing and yet articulate Congressman Rufus Rodriguez. Meron. Of course, there's it seems that, and remember the first hearing, napaka-high-pitched ng boses ni Congresswoman Luisto, first or second hearing, na it feels to me na medyo nasa-stress siya. Calamansi Slush says, notices of disallowance do not constitute an impeachable offense. That is correct. Sal N does not imply unexplained wealth. That is also correct. Ramon Madriaga is a polluted source. Sabi yan ni Kong Rufus. Expenditures must be disbursed within the year for utilization purposes. Again, correct. CFs cannot be disclosed openly due to national security issues. Again, correct. And 6, alleged threats to the first family can be construed as freedom of expression. Yes, although some parts of it will have to be explained. Hi, Miss Janine. Naglalabas si Miss Janine. Sabi ni Ma'am Edith, kakainis si Percy, deluded siya na mag-model. Ay, sorry ma'am. Paborito ko pa naman yon. Ako, gusto ko yung ano ba yun? Yung cheese flavor ba yun? Yung basic niya. Ngayon, ayaw ko na kumain nun. Baka makamukha ko sa, wag naman po, ma'am. Sabi ni Eranio Mangio, trial is trial. It's not in their power to do so. Talagang walang kwenta. Sure. Ma'am Ola says, correct me if I'm wrong, last year sa WADCOM na answer na ng COA yung allegations about confidential funds. Si Ako pa nagtatanong, bakit pa sila nag-fishing? Wala ba silang GC? Ay. Grabe si Ralo. Sabi niya, ngiwi. Si Peyoy naman naghuhugas ng plato. Very efficient use of your time. Sabi ni Cedar, gusto nila ma-impeach o tanggalan ng mandato si VP. Pero bakit ang dami pa nilang mga proseso considering na overwhelming daw ang ebidensya nila laban sa VP, ang dami pa nilang pasikot-sikot. Iyon na nga. Ultimately, kung ang dami nilang ebidensya, bakit may mga may kinukuha pa silang panibago? Sir Arman, wag po all caps. Sabi ni Ken, nang dahil sa mga congressmen, ayoko na sa Piatos at Cafe Mary Grace na umay ako, Diyos ko. Puti na lang sinabi niya yan, tuloy, hindi na ako, gusto ko pa naman yung cheese roll nila, wala, tisin ko. Gagawa na lang ako ng sarili kong cheese roll. Pwede ba pa ihabla ng Robina si Percy sa paggamit ng product nila sa hearing? Universal Robina ba may-ari ng Piatos? Sabi ni The Sweet November 27, hindi ba mas magandang gamitin na lang yung budget to subsidize petrol and all other goods instead of ayuda? Yes. Pero yung ayuda kasi, pwede may room for, this is my theory ha, there's room for creative accounting. Sabi ni Lenny, yung actions ng HOR halatang takot sila pag maging presidente si VP Sara. Sabi ni Com Enrich, trial by publicity po talaga ang main purpose nila para masira si VP at magpasikat rin po sila. Sabi ni Cap, wala bang advice ang Philippine Bar Association and IBP sa mga attorney sa HOR about ethical guidelines? Yung IBP po kasi sila yung investigators kapag may complaint for disciplinary action. So hindi sila pwedeng umepal. Actually, pwede silang ang Supreme Court pwede silang motu proprio on their own. Remember what happened to Larry Gadon? Walang complaint na final yun ha. So nakita nila, they suspended him and later on disbarred him. Sabi ni Wilmark, tama lang stat ni VP Art of War, choosing the battle and the terrain. Good one, that's correct. Sayang oras sa HOR, kaya medyo pikon sila. Sabi ni Ma'am Marjorie, tapos yung accused pa ang gustong mag-provide ng evidence against sa sarili niya. Ang kakapal! Sabi ni Emski, good evening, na late daw siya. Okay, so yes, everybody answered under, ang Jack and Jill is under URC. Remember that the congresspersons are immune from suit. So hindi sila pwedeng kasuhan ng Universal Robina for that. Sabi ni Yam, bakit naman kasi hindi sila lumalaban ng patas? Ang hilig talaga ng House Mambuli, namimihasa na sila and hindi ko alam. So, sabi ni Izzy, inuubos nila energy nila kay VP, baka mamaya si Mayor Basti po pala ang plot twist. I don't mind. Thank you kay Miss Fair. Sir Arman, wag po tayong mag-all caps. Sabi ni Roel, ang impeachment, cover-up lang yan ng flood control anomaly. At least may gamit sila. Pwede. Sabi ni CJ Lee D. Pero wait. That's ironic. Kasi yung flood control was also to cover up the fact that they want VP Inday out of the way. So, ginagamit yan originally ni PBBM to make it look like, oy, we're anti-corruption. Kaya nga yan si VP Inday, we're holding her accountable. O, ayan, galit sila sa korupsyon. Unfortunately, this is literally a Pandora's box or a can of worms. Pagbukas nila, sila ang nasabuyan. And now, they need the impeachment to cover up the flood control, which was originally a cover-up for all of their actions against the Vice President. So, it has come full circle. Sabi ni Cedar, yung ayuda na 5K, Diyos mio, ilang litro lang ng krudo o gasolina, isang araw lang, ubus na para naman nakakababa ng dignidad para sa mga drivers. Hindi lang yan. Bakit dun sa 21.47 billion ay mayroong infrastructure? Sabi ni DM Alpha, takot lang nila if mag-proceed sa trial yung impeachment using current complaints. Pupulbusin lang yung articles of impeachment ni na Senator Marcoleta and Cayetano. Sabi ni I am no one, yung immorality ba, hindi ba yun pwedeng dahilan ng disbarment? Posible, yes po. Di ba pag public official, mabigat na kaso yun lalo kung senador? Actually, regardless, kung abogado ka. So, pwede pong mag-file against her ng ganon because she admitted it openly. Hindi ko alam kung mayroong pong nag-file sa kanya. But in theory, anybody can file that because, yun nga, she answered it on public TV. Hindi ko alam kung sa sobrang tagal, baka hindi na siya pansinin. But yes, it is. Do you think the Supreme Court will be able to respond to the petition filed by VP Sara's lawyers before April 14? Yeah, first of all, it wasn't VP Sara's lawyers who filed the case. Her lawyers are Fortune Narvasa and Attorney Monsayak and Attorney Mike Poa. So, yung filing ni na Attorney Torreon is not for VP Inday, not on her behalf. So, it seems the House is proceeding step by step and is just waiting on the date since they will start presenting evidence and witnesses against the VP. It would be better if the Supreme Court could respond before April 14. Well, nobody can hurry the Supreme Court up. Okay, first of all. But since there is a prayer for the issuance of a temporary restraining order, we are fairly sure that the Supreme Court will, there will be some kind of action. Hindi ko lang alam if the Supreme Court will ask for comments, will issue a TRO, because all of these things, they're possible, but we don't know at this stage what's going to happen. So, and I cannot speculate on that. Sabi ni Gen Z, actually, mas maganda na i-take over yung narrative sa Mary Grace. Hindi pa ba? It's been sufficiently explained and explained and explained. Pinipilit lang nila because it is easy for their troll army to understand. Remember, they don't have, they have very few, kumbaga, influencers who can discuss the legal aspect as well as the nuances of the cases. So, kumbaga, nilalaban nila sa repetition yung kanilang case. Yung kanilang comms. We've already taken over that narrative. Napansin ko po na mga aktivista ang bumibida dyan sa impeachment, mga grupo ng makakaliwa, tapos sinusuportahan pa ng mga tao ni BBM. Yung si Ridon, nagpalit lang ng name ng party list, pero dati po yan kabataan party list. Kaya no wonder na gusto nilang mawala ang mga Duterte. Sir Arman, one more time, please, wag po, hindi ko babasahin pag naka-all caps. Binasa ko na po yung ilan kanina, pero please abide because everybody else abides by the no all caps rule. Thank you kay Abitika. Hi, Miss Leah. Sabi ni Strictly, gagawa sila ng rules for impeachment tapos kapag na-call out sila na di sila sumusunod, aba, ma-offend ang mga magagaling. Ang mga taong to ang sumisira sa pangalan at institusyon ng HOR and Justice. Hi kay Merlin Wiggers, getting ready na daw to go to The Hague. Nako, please give a hug to everybody there. And I wish I could go, but we'll see what the next event is. Baka baka sakaling makapuslit. Mag-iipon pa muna. Sabi ni Calamansi, in the event that the Supreme Court favors the petitioners and HOR continues with the proceedings, would that result in a constitutional crisis? Actually, it would be questionable whether that will have, if the HOR continues and the Supreme Court lays down the law, kumbaga assess na okay, hindi tama yan, then there will be no effect to what they are doing. So, hindi po kasi ganun kadali magkaroon ng constitutional crisis. Sabi ni Abtika, dun daw siya pag birthday na ni VP. But how do we know that she's going to be there on her birthday? Sabi ni Lito, saan po kaya pwedeng ipagsigawan na itigil na yung pamumulitikang impeachment na yan at mag-focus na lang sa problemang nalulunod sa gutom ang ating bansa? Sa social media po? Kasi, at saka ako, ewan ko, you might want to do this kasi nakikita ko marami nang sumusunod. Mag-post kayo, call the attention of your congressman and say hindi po kayo pumapayag dito sa impeachment ni VP Inday. Pwede niyong ilagay doon, ang daming dapat tuunan ng pansin, wag na yan. Or number 2, wala akong nakikitang dahilan para i-impeach si VP Inday. Sabihin mo, botante niyo ako, constituent ako, hindi ako pumapayag sa impeachment ni VP Inday. Sabi ni Arman, Luislo and De Lima on morality, 1 to 10, how they be graded? I will not grade them. Unang-una, they're both lawyers and I will not, comment on their personal stuff unless it bleeds into their duties as congresspersons. Sabi ni Kyle, nagbigay na po ba ng pahayag ang Supreme Court sa impeachment? Sir, kaka-file lang po today. Sabi ni Random, what's the horrifying secret of those maletas? From Marcos Jr., especially the Congress people are feared of the cursed maletas. Are those maletas contain ghost flood control and kickbacks? Sabi ni Sunny, yung pinadala ng Russia na barko ng langis, ang pangalan Sarah Sky, di ba? Sign na po ata yon na si VP Sara ang next president. Or si VP Sara ang tunay na tagapagsaklolo sa atin sa sitwasyon nito what's the phrase? With this chaos. My gosh. Sabi ni Donna, si Ridon, sa totoo lang feeling abogado umasta. Abogado po siya. Nakaka-boyset ang mga galawan niya, lalo sa mga hearings. Well, up to now, I think some lawyers are snickering about his, na ipasampi na daw yung records ng law office. Last year, nandun kayo nung birthday ni VP. Kasi I was talking about going there for the next event kung kakayanin. Unang-una, depende sa schedule, di ba? Sabi ni DM Alpha, I think if SC declares the impeachment proceedings as unconstitutional and void ab initio, the Senate can easily dismiss and not proceed with anything. Alam nyo, kung void ab initio, walang action na kailangan sa Senate. Una-una, hindi pa umaabot eh. Sabi ni Veritas et Lex, Luis to is a lawyer. Yes po. Yes, ma'am. Sir. She is. Sabi ni Dan Sheng, buti pa dito sa Japan. Tumaas ang price ng gas at diesel pero few days lang, nabalik baba uli. I'm shocked. Pwede pala yun. Sabi ni Lito, ang congressman po namin sa Tarlac, corrupt din, contractor din po. Doesn't matter, but what is important is that you make it off record. You state it publicly. Di ako pumapayag. No. Sabi ni Kyle, posible po bang mag-take over ang Supreme Court sa impeachment if umakyat sa Senado? No. It's not their job. Yan talaga yung separation of powers. Sabi ni Ken, when I saw that Sarah Sky, I immediately thought of the Japanese high flyer wrestler, Io Sky. Pero it's a sign. Sabi ni Drama Babes, akala ko talaga noon, once attorney ka, isa ka sa mga matatalino talaga. Pero nagbago na pananaw ko since nakita ko si si Gadon talaga. Uy, grabe. Sabi ni Arman, kamusta na kaya ang grado ng gobyerno ng Pilipinas ngayon? Excellent pa ba? Depende siguro sa naggagrado. Sabi ni Lure de Rona, I wish I was there earlier, 11:40 a.m. sa The Hague. From Ireland kami. We popped by before heading to Germany to personally deliver ang birthday card ni FPRD, Tatay Digong, and 2 pics that I've developed. It was taken when we met him sa hotel sa Acacia Hotel, Davao City on May 2023. I was so lucky to have met him there. By surprise, lumabas siya from the lift with his security team at 11 p.m. He was still chatting to us kahit na late before leaving the hotel. Andun ako nun. Andun kami sa taas nun. It was a dinner meeting. Sabi ni Krasinski, grabe no, paghihirapan mo mag-aral para makatapos at mag-practice ng law, tapos magpapagamit ka lang sa mga lang sila kahit mukha na silang kaya naman nila siguro kumita ng marangal. Hi kay Ma'am Samin, sabi niya, hindi po ba kabastusan yung ginawa ni Congressman Sendanya as he brought piatos, potato chips, and Mary Grace paper bag sa HOR? Asa ng decency? Ako personally, I don't expect it. Kasi nga, immune sila, di ba? May immunity sila from suit. Hindi sila immune lang from yung ethics committee nila. Yun lang. Sabi ni Dan, katabi ko kahapon kanina nag-uusap, kinancel nila ang flights nila pa Pinas. Abunay daw, meaning delikado. Oh. Bagsak ang turismo na naman. Sabi ni Allen, if unconstitutional po ang ginagawa nila, meaning illegal ang subpoena po nila because it's poisonous tree pa ba yan? The fruit of the poison tree is illegally obtained evidence. Well, posible kung void yung subpoena pero nakuha nila. It's possible, but kikilatisin pa rin ng Korte Suprema kung may color of authority, yung mga ganyan. Hindi kasi kasalanan, halimbawa ng bangko, na susunod sila sa subpoena. So, hindi siya fruit of the poison tree necessarily. Sabi ni CJ Leedy, let's just say Sarah got impeached. But later, the Supreme Court finds that the process is flawed. Can she be reinstated? VP Sara was impeached last year in 2025 because impeachment is when the House finds probable cause and forwards the complaints or the articles of impeachment to the Senate. So yes, it's happened. She got impeached last year, but the Supreme Court said that since there was no opportunity, no due process that was accorded to her, then the process was so flawed, it could not have been, it could not have any legal effect. So, walang impeachment. She was effectively not impeached. No, sabi ni Miss Lottie, as per Kong Luisto's interview with Karen Davila recently, they can prolong the impeachment in the lower house until parang end of the year. What are your thoughts about this? It's supposed to be 60 days, but they might interpret that as 60 days worth of hearings or meetings. They have leeway to make that kind of interpretation, but the interpretation must be within the bounds of logic and legality or constitutionality. So, para sa akin, kahit patagalin nila until 2027, by then, people will be preparing for elections. And they may not have the kind of time that it will require to prosecute the case in the Senate, should it go to the Senate. Sabi ni Konsehal Ramir, tila sinasagad na po nila sa HOR ang kanilang kasalanan sa bayan dahil kailangan talaga nilang matanggal si VP Sara para hindi makalaban at manalo sa 2028. Mayayari sila kapag nanalo si VP. Yes, but she's also being given a lot of publicity now by what they're doing. Even worse, the publicity features her as an underdog. Diba? I wonder if they still think that they're doing the right thing. Hindi. Sabi ni Arman, kaya pala maraming members ng ang House ang abusado dahil immune sila sa batas. No, they're only immune from suit for what they say and do inside the House and in the act of doing their job. So, hindi po sila immune from all crimes. Sabi ni Veritas, siguro nung chinek yung papel ni Ridon and Luisto sa bar, sumakit ulo ng examen. Kaya ipinasa na lang para matapos, no? Huy! Sabi ni Cheese Tier, si Attorney Trix abogado na for how many years at nahihirapan pang pumunta sa dahig. While yung EJK victims ko noon nakaipon ng ilang taon lang considering halos isang tuka lang sila. It's not just the it's not the expense so much as it is the time. So as you know, there are cases that we have to handle and we have jobs to do. So that's also the reason. Pero naiintindihan ko yung sinasabi ninyo, yung EJK victims nakapunta ng gano'n. Well, alam niyo naman, may support sila. Sabi ni Edward, iba na daw yung meaning ng R sa HOR, hindi na representatives. Rhetorics, rapid by rabies or ragged, rancid or raucous, and reckless. Thank you, Kmar, for being here. Sabi ni Faz Gamer, kung hindi siguro si De Lima and Sendanya ang nagdala ng props at kakampi ni VP, siguro na contempt na. Kung congressman na kakampi ni VP, well, baka ma-call out sila, pero sila, alam niyo naman. At saka mga miyembro ng Committee on Justice ang naandun. So, it looks like they look kindly on Congresswoman De Lima. Sabi ni Nixon, ano po mangyayari if yung Blue Ribbon Committee konti lang nag-sign about doon sa flood control? Ilan po ba need mag-sign? And ano po mangyayari sa Senate hearing? Majority po. Kung hindi i-sign yun, di walang findings. Wala. Kumbaga, they had a hearing, pero there's no resolution, meaning you cannot create legislation out of it. Even the recommendations for filing in the ombudsman could be questionable. Yes, covered ba si Percy ng immunity nung nagpa-picture siya ng Mary Grace na bag at piatos na chips? Ako, my stand is that yes, they are. There's a lot of leeway there. Sabi ni Arman, kung makinig ang langit sa sumpa ng taong bayan, bahala na ang kongresista na sumalo. Elena says, dito po sa Saudi, bumaba presyo ng ginto. Kaya kaming mga Pilipino, sinamantala namin at yung iba naming kasama di na umuwi ng Pinas dahil natatakot baka walang makabalik na eroplano at walang trabaho na makukuha dyan sa atin. Kawawa mga pamilya, kaya sa ginto na lang nilagay at may pakinabang pa dyan sa atin. Pwede bang maglabas ang HOR ng evidence na hindi kasama sa reklamo nila? Yun nga po yung basehan para dun sa filing sa Korte Suprema. Sabi ni Ramel, good strategy na hindi mag-attend si VP sa hearing para hindi malaman ang sagot ni VP sa possible na tanong nila at magkakaroon sila ng idea. Pwede rin. Excuse me. Sabi ni CJ Lee, actually BBM's admin is pure evil genius. I will contest the genius part. Guided by secret advisors. BBM cannot just orchestrate all of this. I don't know about the genius. Para sa akin, gagawa ka na rin lang ng ganyan, dapat walang huli. Kaso huli. Sabi ni Kaupe, dami nila support funded ng NED ng mga oligarko, ng mga NPA supporter groups, eto mga EJK victims. I think lahat ng natamaan, hala, wow! May nag-report ng TikTok namin. Ayan ha, I just got a notice. May nag-report ng live natin, supposedly for exposure daw of body parts. Ano yung in-expose ko? Kakaloka. Meron ba akong leeg? So, bawian naman natin itong mga nag-report. Thank you kay Grezzy. Hi kay Baby 10. Grabe. Minsan nakakairita din yung wala nga naka-expose. Ano yung ma-expose dito? Naka-expose yung siko ko, ganon. Baka yung mga ngumingiwi ang nag-report. Tap guys para mawala ang restrictions. Yes po. My goodness. Pwede bang i-contest ito? Body exposure and sexualized behavior? Saan? Hala? Oh well. Sabi ni Ma'am Tina, magre-report na lang patawa pa. Pero I think meron yan dapat review, di ba? Sabi ni Chad, ganyan lang si TikTok. It seems COJ is living inside a teleserye with a suspension of disbelief and a foolish storyline. Sabi ni Danny, baka kakamping at bangag support nag-handle ng TikTok. Yun man siguro. Sabi ni Dit, ganyan talaga ang TikTok, mga false reports. Grabe. Sabi ni Zoru, let's just say, ito na, hypothetical na naman kayo ha, ma-impeach si VP. Then Mindanao announces na magsisede na, will you support that movement? Thanks po sa sagot. Number one, hypothetical yan. I won't know what decision I'm going to make until it is there. Number two, you are asking me to support what will constitute an illegal act. Yung mga ganyan, hindi po yan pinag-uusapan ng ganito. Kasi you will get, the normal response should be, no, because that is illegal. Okay, that is secession and could be considered as sedition. So you're asking a lawyer for whether or not I will support a patently illegal act that is punishable under the revised penal code. So even if I wanted to, which I cannot say at this moment, I cannot answer that because I would be admitting to a future crime. Of course, wala pang crime yan. Pero kalad ka rin ako ng sa Supreme Court niyan at for disciplinary action. So you must be careful about what you are asking or even what we are talking about here. Buti sana kung yung panahon protective ang administrasyon sa ating karapatan magsalita at magpahayag. I have no doubts that it would be easy to, that we can defend ourselves from a charge like that. But really, why would you want to endanger somebody for doing that? Di ba? Alam nyo kung ilan ng kaso ko sa so of course may final si Attorney Claire in the NBI, may may final din sa sa Makati, meron pang iba. So parang I really question why you would want to do that to us. So remember in fact, remember when PRD said, I will look for a legal way to secede Mindanao or Davao or whatever before. A few days later, binawi niya yon and he explained. Sabi niya, there is no intention to incite to sedition. I merely wanted to show President Marcos the effects of what he is doing to ordinary citizens. So, he does not encourage it, So, kung maaalala po ninyo, I remember this because I actually asked him about it. Sabi ko, sir, yung panawagan niya na gano'n, he explained it again and then he explained it also publicly. So, we must be careful. Ayaw niya na mapapahamak kayo. Hindi niya hangad yung ipahamak kahit sino sa inyo in the belief that yung paghihikayat ng secession ay legal. Hindi po legal yan. Ay, ayun, natanggal na. Sabi ni Arma, nag-react ako minsan sa post ni Sendanya. All my negative reactions are not posted. Meron ba kayong idea kung saan napupunta ang mga loan ni BBM para sa bansa? Actually, hinanap ko dati kung saan napupunta and there's very little information online. Sabi ni Miss Lynn, lumipat ako dito sa TikTok from Blue App para makapag-tap-tap. Maraming salamat po. Uy, para dun sa mga ano, baka gusto ninyong dagdagan yung gift goals natin. Wala, sobra lang ako natuwa. Okay. Ma'am Consuelo saying, good evening. Thank you for all your hard work. From the heart, supporting DDS, you're awesome all the way. It's an honor. Ma'am, it's my honor to be able to speak to all of you here. Sabi ni Miss Katie, good evening from Dubai. Pwede po ba mag-request for 2028 elections lahat ng congressmen or women malista at ma-share ng bawat isa? Of course. Public record naman po yan eh. Hi KM Wiggers. Naming lumipat. Thank you very much. Sabi ni Ma'am Anita, walang napupuntahan. Thank you, Sir Art. Hi kay Glenn. Hi Chris. Yes, see you tomorrow sa concert. See you. Dito sa Pinas, sabi ni Ma'am Annalyn, pwede po ba na you'll be your own counsel if may kaso ka? It is not encouraged. Diba? Ano sabi ni kinu-quote nga ni Attorney Topacio. Ano yung sinabi? Wait, there's a complete saying on that eh. Teka, hanapin ko lang. A man who represents himself has a fool for a client. Actually, mas mahaba yun eh. Okay. Full quote. Ayan, sabi ni Abraham Lincoln, a man who represents himself, well, bakit maikli dito? Oh, well, anyway, that's the has a fool for a client. Kasi ibig sabihin no, well, you get emotional and you might be not be able to think objectively or be able to choose the correct processes or correct remedies to better protect yourself. So it's always encouraged that you should have external counsel. Sabi ni Ms. Katie, continuous po sa sinabi ko about the congressman para hindi namin iboboto. Yes, ma'am. We know that. 'Di ba? We already posted the link to the Committee on Justice. So tatandaan natin yung mga kung meron kayong mga congresspersons na nandiyan sa Committee on Justice, then 12 o'clock na. Happy birthday, Tatay Digong. Thank you for the reminder, Pompoko, Bayo, Vensha, Ma'am Anita. Sabi ni Pinoy tayo, pwede po bang humingi ng legal advice? Dito online, hindi ko ini-encourage yan. Normally, kailangan maliwanag yung attorney-client relationship at saka yung kumpleto yung mga records ninyo. Kasi mahirap po yung magbibigay ka ng advice, incomplete yung information, you might act on it. And you might be, kumbaga, prejudiced by the incomplete result as well. Ayan, happy birthday, Tatay Digong. Teka, nalulungkot ako. So, maraming salamat. Mag-extend po tayo dito sa TikTok because we have naka-complete sila ng gift goals. So, maraming no problem kay Pinoy tayo, but ako I strongly suggest marami pong mga legal aid or free legal aid na organizations. You can go to PAW kung pwede kayong magpa-advise sa PAW, or they can direct you to free legal aid. May free legal aid po ang IBP. Mayroon din po ang mga law schools like the UP Law Center has the Office of Legal Aid. Pwede din po kayong magtanong doon. Sabi ni Zoru, sana may gumawa ng batas about rage baiting or gaslighting kasi ginagamit talaga ito ng mga trolls. Well, sometimes kasi if the rage baiting or gaslighting is libelous, then there can be a legal recourse. Meron daw din sa San Beda na legal aid. O ayan. So, maraming salamat sa inyong paglahok dito sa live natin ngayon. Maraming salamat sa pag-like, share, follow, subscribe sa super chat, super sticker sa mga stars na pinapadala sa Facebook. Yun lang po ang hindi namin nakikita dito sa sa StreamYard. So, thank you very much. Okay, oops. We'll get that out. Ayan. Mayroon talagang mga trolls na hindi na dapat binibigyan ng pansin in the sense na hindi dapat basahin or anything like that. So maraming salamat also for ang ganda po ng mga nakikita yung mga birthday greetings kay tatay. Siguro we should encourage also people to write. The letters daw can be sent to tanungin ko kay Alvin. Alam ko through Attorney Kaufman. At sabi ni Attorney Kaufman, lahat daw ng greetings ay nababasa niya. Sabi ni Roel, nakakatuwa mga Crocs, nagpamisa at nagpa-picture pa sa loob ng simbahan. Nakapikit pa mga mata, mas maganda sana kung tuluyan nakapikit. Uy, grabe. Thank you again, Sir Paul. Okay, so for those who want to join us, medyo mahaba-haba yung extension natin dito sa kabila. So if you want to join us, please do so. I strongly encourage everybody to do so. Everybody who can to do so. So we'll see you on the other side. Thank you very much. Good night. Sleep well. Do take care of yourselves. Mahaba pa po ang laban. Kailangan pa po kayo ng ating bayan. Good night.